Hey everybody, it's Ray. If you want to see how I go from a dull blonde to this beautiful raging red color, then please just keep on watching. Few things you're going to need is a plastic processing cap, a mixing bowl, an applicator brush. I use the Adore brand semi-permanent in the color raging red. Also, you're going to need a couple of hair clamps just to keep your hair out of the way as you're putting the color on. And not pictured, you're gonna need some gloves, honey, because it's gonna get messy. As you can see, my hair is clamped away at the top and I am beginning the process. You're gonna just work your way from ends to roots. My hair is dyed in it's previously colored in like an ombre blondish brownish looking color. So what I did is start from the ends and then work my way up my hair, because I want to ensure that I get those brown hairs too. I want those dyed as well. So I'm just making sure that I start at the ends, get my ends really good and coated, and then I move up the hair just to make sure that I get all of my hair. I don't want a patchy hair color, so I want to just make sure I get everything. This process is really easy. It probably took me a total of 20 minutes just to get this color all over my hair. It's not hard at all, y'all. As you can see, when I got a little closer, it seemed like I could see still like a little blonde tint coming through the red. So I just went back in and I just make sure you get that color on there. Just get it on good and you shouldn't have anything to worry about. And I twist up that section once I'm done with it and on to the next. Like I said, really easy, really simple, y'all. Okay, and then you're gonna put on your processing cap. And I let this sit on, I sat out of my hooded dryer and I let this sit for about 30 minutes. It says 15 on the bottle, but I wanted to make sure it's not a chemical so it won't hurt anything. This is me freshly washed. I'm loving the results. I had no idea it was gonna turn out this good. I blew my hair out because I thought I was going to clip my ends, but they really weren't that bad, so I decided to leave them alone until later. The products that I'm using today is the ORS Curls Unleash Curl Boosting Jelly. Oh, it smells so good, y'all. I love this product. Oh, it smells so good. And for my moisturizer, I'm going to use the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Twisting Cream. Great for moisture. I've been using this for about 6 months. Love it. And I'm just starting off in the back again. What I do is I braid my hair from the root and probably a little bit past mid-waist, and then I begin to twist. I do this because I love the way I love the definition twists give my hair, but I love the way Braidout stretch my hair for length. I like to add a little bit more product at the end, and then I begin to twist the rest of the way. And once I get to the end, I give it a twirl around my finger, and I'm done with that twist and on to the next one. My hair is completely dry. I'm taking oil, putting it all over my hands and making sure I get it on my fingertips, because that's where I'm going to be touching my hair the most. And I begin to take my braids and twist down. At this point, I'm not separating. I'm just taking each one down. Once I get all of them down, you'll see I'm going to apply more oil, and then I'll begin to separate each section. I give my hair a little tug first just to see where my hair naturally wants to separate on its own, and that's where I like to try to separate, so I'm not forcing anything. And then once I get it separated, I twirl the ends. After I feel like it's separated enough, I go ahead and grab my pick and I begin to tug at my roots. And of course, we gotta lay these edges. The products I'm using is the Pure Honey Edge Control, the Creme of Nature line. I go on with that first because Edge Control give you that sleek look and it lays your edges down, but everybody knows Edge Control turns into like a little grease after it's been on your hair for a while. So I go in with that first and I lay my edges and I get them how I want them, and then I use a gel. In this particular video I'm using the Wetline Xtereme holding gel, and I go on top of my edge control with a gel to give it a hold. That way your edges, for the most part, my edges stay laid down pretty much all day. So I go in with the gel on top of my edge control. Just a little tip. After I've fluffed and separated to my liking, this is the finished look, you guys. I absolutely love this color, y'all. I fell in love with it. And the products I used for my braid out left my hair very soft, very bouncy. I just love everything about this. It turned out way better than I expected. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please leave those questions in the comment section below. Also, please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more fun looks that I'm going to do on this beautiful hair color. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.